This 2026 Forest River Cedar Creek Cottage 40CCK is a destination trailer RV. It is located in Newfield, New Jersey, 08344 and is offered for sale by Crossroads Trailer Sales, Inc. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River is 40 feet 6 inches in length and features sleeps 4, refrigerator, TV antenna, slide-out, air conditioning, smoke detector, carbon monoxide detector, water heater, LP detector, microwave, TV, and 75 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this destination trailer features front entertainment, front living area, kitchen island, mid-bath, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Forest River Cedar Creek Cottage 40CCK is 12,055 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.